My name's Sophie and I am Head of Nutrition at Fresh Fitness Food. My favourite meal is probably the lentil and cauliflower leaf dal. I actually really like cauliflower leaf, which is unusual maybe. But it also means that we're using the whole vegetable, which is really great because we want to focus on reducing food waste. And it comes with these really delicious spicy little potatoes inside, which is an added bonus. Macronutrients are very important, so they're the nutrients that our body requires in large quantities, hence the term macro. There are, largely speaking, 3 macronutrients, so we generally tend to speak about protein, carbohydrates and fat, as they're the ones that are required for our body to function or for us to live. There is actually a 4th macronutrient, which we often and probably conveniently forget about, that's alcohol. It does provide us with 7 calories per gram, but there aren't really any additional nutritional benefits from drinking alcohol. So we tend to disregard it as it's really just empty calories. So fat is an important macronutrient. It's got several essential functions for the body. So it's the most energy dense macronutrient. It provides us with 9 calories per gram. It's essential for the production of our hormones, and it's important for the absorption of our fat-soluble vitamins as well. So that's vitamin A, D, E and K. We also get our essential fatty acids from consuming dietary fats. So they're called essential because we have to get them through food. They can't be synthesized by the body. So you will have heard of them. It's things like omega-3, so those you're getting from your oily fish, and they're essential for the optimal function of our brain and our nervous system. There are 3 different types of dietary fats. So we've got saturated, we've got monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated. Unsaturated are generally found in kind of plant-based foods, so nuts, seeds, avocado, olive oil, and then saturated fats are found more commonly in animal-based products, so meat, dairy, eggs, but most foods generally tend to contain both, so we really just need to make sure we're consuming good quality fats and a variety of foods to make sure that we're getting all of the different types that we require. So we at Fresh Fitness Food incorporate fats into the diet in several different ways. We try to use some higher fat protein sources, so things like salmon or red meat, so beef. We use a bit of lamb as well. We also tend to add additional sources of fat in actual sauces, just because the meals themselves are quite lean. So we'll add a kind of olive oil based dressing or a homemade guacamole, pumpkin seed pesto, things like that. And we'll also add some additional sources of fat through garnishes, so sprinkle some feta or some cashew nuts, something like that over the top. My focus at work changes from day to day, so my role is pretty varied, which I love. So it can be anything from working with new recipes with the head chef Andy, to working directly with the nutrition algorithm Lavo Plus, to speaking with clients about their personalised nutrition plans. I also work on our sustainability aims and some other corporate social responsibility projects as well. We have loads of really exciting and diverse client success stories at Fresh Fitness Food. My favourite, or those that make me the most proud, I would say, is when we really improve a client's relationship with food. So we're kind of creating not only a healthier body, but we're really creating a healthier mindset for that client as well. I'd also add to that that although personalised nutrition doesn't create a whole lot of food waste, we try to send all of our leftovers to the London Soup Kitchen and provide nutritious meals to vulnerable people across London, which is without a doubt the most fulfilling success story that we have from my point of view.